Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to get the World Cup in Minecraft. With the World Cup Kits 2026 add-on, you get access to the complete kits of all qualified teams. You can dress up as your favorite teams and experience it like a real-world tournament. All you have to do is head to this download page, click Files, and then click Top File here. Then make sure to press Download manually for the file to begin downloading. Once that's done, you should see the file have this grass block symbol next to it. Then double-click the files for it to automatically open up Bedrock and begin the install. It should say Import started at the top and then Import successful. Once that's done, head to Create a new world or edit an existing world. Then in Settings, click Resource Packs and click Activate on the World Cup add-on. That should automatically activate it in behavior add-ons as well. Then once you're in game, head to the creative menu and scroll down, and at the bottom you'll see all the kits for the teams available. I'm Portuguese, so I'll be having the Portuguese one and enabling it, and that's it. Now all I have to say is good luck to your teams if they're in the finals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.